Hi, and welcome to Heart of the Woods Hypnotherapy.
Today's short session, we're going to focus on clarity and clearing the mind. So, releasing any brain fog and awakening a focused energy to help you let go of any distractions, to come back into the present, to release any distractions or overthinking or overanalyzing. So, begin by just getting nice and comfortable, either seated or lying down, wherever you feel the most at ease. If you need to take a few moments to settle in, just allow yourself to arrive. Allow your eyes to gently close, or if you prefer, you can let your gaze just soften towards the floor. Begin by just taking a slow, deep breath in to a count of 4 in through your nose, and release it fully through your mouth to a count of 6. Again, a long, slow breath in and a long, easy breath out, letting go. With each breath, you're giving yourself full permission to arrive here in this moment. Notice the weight of your body, how it is fully supported. There's nothing to hold up, nothing to carry. You can just simply rest. As you breathe, let any tension in your shoulders soften. Allow your jaw to unclench or just release gently. Let your hands open gently by your sides or resting in your lap. Good. In a moment, I'm going to count down from 10 to 1. With each number, you'll just drift a little deeper into this peaceful, comfortable state. There's no effort involved. If you think thoughts, just let them come and go. Simply let each number carry you gently down. 10. Noticing how nice and heavy and relaxed your eyelids feel now. 9. A wave of calm moving through your shoulders and arms. 8. Breathing is easy, natural, and effortless. 7. Any thoughts that drift through your mind are like passing clouds. You simply notice them and let them move on. 6. Going deeper now, more peaceful, more at ease. 5. Halfway there. Your whole body feels wonderfully relaxed and still. 4. The outside world fades into the background for a bit. 3. Calm and deeply relaxed. 2. Almost there now, drifting into a beautiful stillness. 1. Deeply relaxed. Perfectly at ease. Right here, right now. Go ahead and imagine for a moment that your mind is a beautiful landscape, perhaps a valley or a wide open field or a beautiful coastal view, whatever feels right to you. Make it as real as you possibly can. You can see it, you can feel it, you can sense it. And as you look out at this landscape now, You notice that it's covered in a soft gray mist, a fog. Not frightening, just heavy, just a little unclear. You can sense the beauty beneath it, but it's been obscured for a little bit. And this fog represents any mental clutter, the tiredness, the noise, all the things that have been making it hard to think clearly, to feel sharp, to feel like yourself. Maybe notice where you feel that fog in your body. Perhaps a tension in your shoulders, or a gripping in your core, or tension in your jaw, kind of blurring at the edges of your thoughts, or a dullness. Now I want you to imagine that landscape, seeing that gray fog, and now go ahead and take a slow, deep breath in. And as you breathe out, imagine that breath carrying some of that fog with it, gently, softly, just like a breeze. Good. Again, at your own pace, just breathing in, breathing out, releasing more of the fog, watching it begin to thin, beginning to lift. Every breath, the mist is dispersing. Slowly at first, perhaps, and then more and more easily. The fog is never permanent. It's just simply something that accumulated. And now, with each breath, you're choosing to let it go. The fog is lifting. You are in control as that fog dissolves into the air. And as it clears, you begin to see the landscape beneath, vivid and bright and beautiful. Colors are richer, the edges are sharper. The air feels clean and light. This is your natural state of mind. Beneath all the noise, beneath the fog, this clarity was always here, just waiting for you. Now go ahead and imagine once all that fog is gone, imagine a gentle light beginning to fill the cleared landscape. It might be the warm glow of morning sun, or a cool, clear moonlight, whatever feels most energizing and true to you. This light represents clarity, focus, ease of thought. And as it fills your mental landscape, fill it beginning to feel your body too, starting at the crown of your head, flowing down through your forehead, clearing and brightening as it goes. Your thoughts feel lighter, more ordered, more accessible. Down through your neck and shoulders, down through your chest, filling your lungs with each breath. A sense of spaciousness, of openness, possibility. Down through your torso and legs, all the way to the soles of your feet. This clear, bright energy moving all the way through you. You feel at ease, alert. Your mind is clear and still, like the surface of a calm lake on a bright, beautiful morning, undisturbed, reflective, ready. From this place of clarity, notice how much easier it is to think. Ideas come more freely. Problems feel more manageable. You can see what matters and what doesn't. You can feel the difference. This clarity is yours. You have access to it whenever you need it. It is not something outside of you. It lives within you. And you can return to it with a breath, with intention, with rest. Now go ahead, repeat in your mind after me. My mind is clear, calm, and capable. Clarity is my natural state. I return to it with ease. I am ready. I am clear. I move forward with confidence. Very good. Noticing how beautiful and clear your landscape is. That mind is now focused and sharp. Thoughts are able to form. And in a moment, I'm going to count upward from 1 to 5. And as I count, you'll just gently return to full, alert, wakeful awareness. Feeling better, clearer, lighter, and refreshed. By the time I reach 5, your eyes will open and you will feel wonderful, present, energized, and clear. 1, beginning to return now. Awareness just gently coming back to the room around you. 2, taking a deeper breath, feeling the aliveness in your body, feeling that gratitude for being alive. 3, your mind is clear and bright. You feel rested and ready. 4, almost back now. Feeling wonderful, light, and focused. And all the way up 5, eyes open, fully awake, feeling absolutely refreshed and ready. Wonderful job.